I'm going to show you in 5 minutes how you can connect any AI tools to Cursor background agents. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how you can use them on your phone. So here's the thing that I discovered. Cursor has an API for managing background agents. Unfortunately, they haven't gone the extra mile of creating an MCP server that you can easily connect to Claude, Notis, Poke, whatever you're using for your daily AI agentic stuff. So today we're going to use a platform called Ogment that can turn any API into an MCP server in a matter of minutes. And then we're going to connect this with Notis so you can access this new MCP server directly from your favorite messaging app. The first thing that we'll need to do is to get our API keys. So go to your Cursor dashboard and under integrations, click New User API, enter the name, and copy the API key. In your terminal, pass that keys and run a base64 encoding on it. You'll get an API key as a result. Create a new account into Ogment, click Add Server, and then put the URL that I will give you in the description, which is the URL of the Open API spec of the Cursor background agent. Then click Import API. On the next screen, you can see that Ogment has detected a few endpoints that are going to be bundled inside that MCP. So let's click Next. And now we will need to set up our authentication. So let's click Authorization Header. And then what you want to type is the API keys that you've generated. We're just putting basic in front of it, just like this. And then click Run Test. And if everything is correct, you're going to see a green message here. Click Create MCP and voila, you've just created your first MCP that has access to all your Cursor agents. So now we're going to connect this to Notis. We're just going to go over config and copy the URL of our MCP server. In the Notis portal, head over to integrations, click add a new MCP and name your MCP, Cursor, give instructions to when your MCP should be used. Use this when investigating a bug and add the URL to your Ogment MCP server. Then you'll be prompted to connect using OAuth. So you just click on that button and it's going to show you that you're now connected and you can select or deselect any tool that is in that MCP. Click Save. And now you have access to your Cursor background agents directly from Telegram, iMessage, WhatsApp, Slack, and your emails. You're welcome.